Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 12 of our 30 Days of Yoga series. And today we will be focusing on a breathing meditation. So the only things that you'll need today, which are optional, are a pillow or a bolster and possibly a blanket. So grab those things and we'll get started. So we are going to come to a seated position. I like to sit on a bolster or a pillow. Just because this pillow is a little bit low, I'm going to put the blanket on top to sit my hips a little bit higher. So once you come onto your bolster or your pillow or the pillow and blanket, you can have the knees coming down towards the mat. And we're just going to sit in a seated position, so kind of find a comfortable spot for you. Ground yourself into either the mat, the floor, or your bolster or pillow and blanket. And then sit tall in the spine. And then we're just going to lift the shoulders up and back. Hands can rest at the tops of the knees or the top of the thighs. Just depends on your preference. And once you find your comfortable seat, you can allow the eyes to close. We're just going to start here by noticing our breath in this moment. So we're not focusing on changing the breath, we're just noticing. Notice your inhales and exhales. Notice any movement that happens as you breathe in and out. So maybe you notice more movement in the belly. Or maybe you notice more movement in the chest. Or maybe you notice movement in both. And then we're going to start with 3 deep breaths together. We'll inhale through the nose and exhale out of the mouth. And on each inhale, you're going to lift the shoulders up towards the ears. And on the exhale, you're going to bring them back down. So let's all inhale together. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. And we'll return back to our normal breath. And then I want you to bring one hand to your chest, one hand to the belly. And just start to notice the breath there. Take a moment to compare it to how your breath was in the beginning. Maybe notice if there's more movement in the belly. Or more movement in the chest. or you may experience equal movement in both places. And then let's take one deep breath in and out. And then with the hand remaining on the chest and the other hand on the belly, we're going to isolate the breath to the belly first. So when you inhale, the belly will expand out. And when you exhale, it will release and come back to its original position. We're going to do that 3 times. So when you're ready, let's inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. One last time, inhale and exhale. And then return the hands down to the knees or the tops of the thighs. Inhale as you lift the shoulders up towards your ears. And exhale them back down, opening the chest just a little. And then we're going to replace those hands back to the chest and to the belly. This time we're going to isolate the breath to the chest. So when you inhale, chest will lift and rise just a little. On the exhale, it will release, come back to its original position. We're going to do that 3 times. So when you're ready, let's inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One last time, inhale and exhale. And then return the hands down to the knees or the tops of the thighs. We'll inhale, lift the shoulders all the way up to the ears. Exhale them down and back, opening the chest. And then bringing both hands back to the chest and the belly. This time we're going to add both breaths together. So you'll inhale into the belly, belly expands. You're going to pause. And then we'll inhale up into the chest. Chest will lift. And then you'll pause at the top of the breath. And then we'll exhale all the way out, releasing the chest and the belly. We'll do that 3 times. So let's inhale into the belly. Pause. Inhale up into the chest. Pause. And then exhale all the way out. Again, inhale into the belly. Pause. Inhale up into the chest. Pause. And exhale all the way out. One last time. We'll inhale into the belly. Inhale up into the chest. And exhale all the way out. And then release the hands back down to the knees. And then we're just going to inhale with 5 regular breaths. You'll inhale through the nose, exhale out of the mouth. No movement in the shoulders this time, just regular breaths. So let's inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. Returning back to our normal breath. And then bring both palms together in front of the heart. We're just going to take a moment of gratitude. You can have gratitude for anything that you like at this time. Maybe you have gratitude for your 11 days of yoga so far. Maybe you have gratitude for your family, for friends, or for something else. Take a moment to think about why you have gratitude for that one thing. And then take a deep breath in and out. And slowly allow the eyes to open. Thank you so much for joining me for this meditation practice. I will see you guys in my next video. Namaste.